What's up guys, Joe from My Tech Jam here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Mullvad VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the magnifying glass icon on the home screen and then go down and click on Search. Next we want to type in Downloader. When you see the Downloader app icon, click on it. On the next screen, choose Get. Mine says Download because I have downloaded it in the past. And once that's done, head back to the home screen. Then browse all the way to the right to access the Settings menu. Choose My Fire TV. If you see developer options on this screen, you can skip the next step, but if you don't see it, how mine is right now, click on About. And then repeatedly click on Fire TV until you see the developer confirmation message at the bottom of the screen. Once that's done, you can go back one level and click on Developer Options. Then click on Install Unknown Apps and change Downloader to On. Now let's back out to the home screen again and open the Downloader app. Once you have it open, click OK and click into the URL box. You're going to type in the code 3580164, and if for some reason that doesn't work, you can enter the full URL, which I'll put up on the screen. Once you have that typed in, click Go. When the page loads, scroll down and click on Download APK. Then click on Install. Click Install again. And click Done. You can do what you would like here, but I prefer to delete the file to clean up space. You can now go back to your Apps menu and open up Mullvad VPN. The first time you open it, you'll have to agree to the privacy policy. Then you should be able to enter your account number to log in. Once you're in, you can choose a location and connect the VPN. On your first connection, you will need to click OK to approve the connection request. To disconnect the VPN, you would just come back in the app and click Disconnect. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this.